times of ignorance and confusion, we have never been more in need of holding on firmly to our Islamic belief.
What is Islam? What is Islam?
Those simple things that define you as a Muslim, and teaching them to our families and our children. Join me, Muhammad Tim Humble, as we go back to basics in the basics of a Muslim's belief.
Polish your personality in the light of divine wisdom to live like a true Muslim in The Basics of a Muslim's Belief. Coming soon on Peace TV.